This will be the last video for shaded cylinder. One of the things that you'll want to consider is how dark can you get that shadow core. From the beginning of the drawing, it looked pretty dark before, but if I switch to, this is just a number 2, I think it's a Dixon Ticonderoga, your normal 2HB pencil. If you really put a lot of pressure, you can see where I really put in that dark band for that shadow core. This gives me that low end that I need, and then I can extend this value range. Now for this highlight, what I did was I took the eraser and I needed to drop back some of those light areas. And by dragging your white eraser, you can actually lighten a whole area. And that same type of action will also work as like a blending stump and kind of smooth out your transition of values. The more value range that you get in your drawing, the more volume it's going to have. So it's not just a matter of light and dark, but it's every single step in between there. So on the value scale, you will probably want to have a 0 present, a 1, a 2, a 3, all the way to a 9 or 10. I'm going to make the shadow core a 10, which would be the darkest value. The top of the cylinder will be very light because most of the light from the upper left-hand light source is hitting the top of the cylinder. On the cast shadow, many tend to make this cast shadow too dark. You have to consider that light is hitting off of walls, and it's not going to be a complete blockout for that light source. I basically have it done. I could probably spend some more time and smooth out some of these values to make the transitions a little bit smoother, but this is the essence of building that cylindrical volume.